Hi grade 3s, let's start with our cursive handwriting, but let's stretch our fingers first. Remember, I want you to take your writing hand, if you're left-handed or if you're right-handed. You take your writing hand and we're going to draw our trampolines, please. So you take Peter Pointer and we're going to push down for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And Toby Tall, 1, push, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ruby Ring, you must push hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And Baby Small, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Okay, on a piece of paper in your workbook, you're going to write the date. And we are going to do G and H today. We need to do the heading, which is writing. So we're going to do the date. Then we're going to do capital W. Don't forget that little lip there with your color. Then we do the R, I, T, I, N, and a G. And when you're finished, then you dot the I and cross the T's. Okay, teacher code is to rule off there, please. And if you want to do your dots or if you want to do your line 1s and 2s, just make sure you're writing in the correct space. So, we've got a capital G that looks almost like a Y, so don't get it muddled. So we twist and we come up and we make a cup, and then we come down and we twist. So that's the capital G. So you start at the line 2 or the dot line, like that. Then you make a cup, almost like you're doing a small B, and then you go down and cross and end. Okay, capital G and small g. Capital G and small g. Okay, all the way to the end of your line. You are copying this work card. Then on the next line we've got UG, RG, EG, UG again, NG. Remember, if I take the G away, you can see that's a N, and then a G, and then IG. So once again, you copy that out. UG, UG. Remember the U has the touch down. Then it's RG. Make sure that you are connecting them in the right space. EG. Then UG again. NG, one bunny hop. And IG. If you can't fit it all on one line, then you go to the next line. But once IG is finished, then we're going to start a new line. We're going to read this. Greedy, so greedy, goats, graze on green grass. So if we say that, greedy goats graze on green grass. So we go back to a dot line and we write, starting with a capital letter, greedy. See, I'm not lifting my pencil only until I'm finished the word. There we go, goats, graze, when they're eating. Careful with the Z, twist with the E at the end. Graze on. Remember, if you can't fit the whole word on the line, don't split it up anywhere, rather write it on the new line. S, and full stop. So greedy goats graze on green grass. And then you've got the pattern of the G. So lots of small little G's together. And use your color and don't lift up until you get to the end, please. All the G's together. Space them nicely. Try make them the same size. And you carry on all the way to the end. Then I want you to rule off. So you rule off on the tail of the G's. Or on a line 1 always. Okay, then we're going to do the H's. Okay, we're not going to write the heading writing again because we already have done that. Now with the capital H, I want you to look very carefully. You start here, go up and down. Then you're going to have to lift your pencil because you're going to go here and make the other part. So it's almost like rugby poles. I think of it like rugby poles. If you think of rugby, and a capital H where they have to kick the ball over the pole. So with the capital H for cursive, you draw your 2 rugby poles and then you go up the pole and then the ball goes doink that way. So you start there, the ball goes there, then it comes back. So you draw the rugby ball and then it has this little part at the end. So you draw the rugby top and the bottom. Okay, and that's what a capital H looks like. So on a dot line, you have to start off with that little point there. Draw your other rugby pole. Then travel back up. Now this line here, you can't go above that. So the top of the rugby ball, the bottom of the rugby ball, and then you have that little part at the end. Okay, and your small h. Bunny hop, touchdown, lift off. Again, big one. Rugby pole, and the ball, and you carry on. And small h. And you go towards the end of the line, like that. Then, H-U, H-E, C-H, O-H, O. Shh, hi. All right, let's see. On a dot line or line 2. H-U, H-E, C-H, O-H, look how it connects, S-H, and H-I for high. Don't forget to dot the I at the end. Then we've got hungry hippos having hiccups. Okay, hungry hippos having hiccups. So, rugby poles. Go make a cup, touchdown. Hungry. Hippos. Okay, now V, remember, is that little lip, I-N-G. Having hiccups. And full stop. And then we're going to do a H pattern. So you get your color one more time and you do H's all together until the end of your line, please. All right, and you rule off on a line 1 or your non-dot line. Okay, well done. We're nearly halfway through the alphabet already with those capitals. We are doing well and we can't wait to write in cursive with you when we get back to school.